This afternoon on News 12 New Jersey, we're tracking a big weekend storm delivering snow and potentially some sleet to the Garden State.
We have team coverage this afternoon of that storm from Essex County to Morris as the state scrambles to get ready for all that snow. Plus,
there's a lot of actual bare shelves, which I was really surprised about.
the rush to grab supplies before the storm hits. How to make sure you're prepared for this weekend. And good afternoon. Thanks for joining us on a Friday. I'm Nick Medanis. The storm is expected to slam New Jersey. Let's get right to Mike Rizzo, who's got the latest on what we can expect. Good afternoon, Mike.
Good afternoon, Nick. Let's do this. Let's get right into it because cold weather is setting up the stage before the storm gets here, and it's going to be brutal as this Arctic blast sets the preliminary environment for all of this heavy snow that is going to be upwards to 12 inches at the top of the state. Snowfall totals will be off the charts in some parts of the state, especially if a snow band sets up, upwards to 12 to 18 inches totally within reach here. But with one caveat, we do have a mid-storm mix that comes in from South Jersey to dilute and compress the snowfall as the afternoon goes by on Sunday. But the first part of the day, the whole first half of the storm is all snow, and that's where we're going to see our high totals, especially in the northern part of the state, 12 to 18 inches of snow with compression and icy conditions along the coast and in southern New Jersey. So the timing of all this is from 2 a.m. on Sunday till Monday at 4 a.m. There's a couple of small features that might interrupt the weather system here, one of which being a drier slot of air near 9 p.m. on Sunday night that could temporarily end the snow. It gives us enough time to catch up with cleanup, but then the snow comes back at a time overnight into Monday where the last of the dusting takes place. There's a lot of different kinds of snow too coming in with this, and of course I break down the details in greater detail in a bit, but let's talk about this afternoon first, because as you head out to make your preparations, temperatures will be in the mid-30s, already near 40 degrees down in Ocean County, but Bergen County, you're out 34 degrees, out in Hudson County 35, Somerset at 35 as well, 37 to 39 degrees in Monmouth County, and a nice and balmy 50 degrees down at the beaches in Ocean County. We have the winds coming in from the west at 15 miles per hour, but an Arctic plunge is on the way as we head into this afternoon and evening. Tonight, that front, you can see it off to our north, is going to be sending us some true gusts upwards to about 20-25 overnight, dropping temperatures into the teens for tomorrow morning to preface our cold environment for the storm. And guess what, everyone? Here it is. Storm's coming together here. A couple of pieces as expected to developing at this time. We have that energy that was over the Pacific Ocean now merging with energy that's coming from the Gulf. We see also the colder piece off to the north, and all of these things are going to start swirling very soon to create our area of low pressure that's going to rocket out toward the East Coast to give us that storm on Sunday. So it's happening, and it's brewing.